Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to make our phone 5G ready. So we're just gonna go ahead and enable some of the 5G settings and tricks. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. So the first thing you need to understand is you need to have a 5G phone. Your smartphone's hardware must be built to support the 5G. If your phone was purchased in 2020 or later, it likely has this capacity. So you can just go over and check your device's specifications to be sure. So what you can do is if you want to enable the 5G on your phone, open up the settings app and tap on it. And once you tap on settings, you can go to the connections. And from connections, you can look out for the option of mobile networks and tap on it. And under mobile networks, here you'll be finding different options. You need to look out for the option of network mode or preferred network type and tap on it. After that, what you need to do is you need to go ahead. After that, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select the option of 5G. That includes here right now. I do not have that, but if you have 5G, you need to select the option of 5G here, LTE 3G 2G auto. And once you do so, that will enable the 5G on your phone. And also always keep your phone's operating system updated so that you can just go over and update the network enhancement and bug fixes for 5G connectivity. Go to settings for that. And once you go to your settings, you can scroll down and look out for the software update and tap on it and update your device to the latest version available. And that is it. So if you want to go ahead and make your 5G phone 5G ready, these are some of the methods you can apply up. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.